Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am gonna unbox this headphone. This is Boat Eardops 131. This is the front part of this box. Mentioned some highlighted features. And in back part there is also some written highlighted features. It has Bluetooth 5.0 and Type-C port. Let's open the box. This is the main headphone. It is compact in size and battery level indicator there. And in back side it is nothing. Let's see what inside in this compartment. There are lots of documentations I can see. This is the manual. Keep this aside. There are more advertisements paper. And it is a small sticker. Now see what inside in this small box. It is USB to Type-C cable, which is great in this price segment. Board gives lots of papers which are useless. So this is the main part. In bottom, Type-C ports there. After opening this, it shows the battery level, and this is the sleek eardops. The opening part is flexible, you can see. This eardops looks like Apple AirPods Generation 1. The Boat logo is a switch. In these sides it looks 90% of Apple AirPods. Both eardops are same and it has a notification light. Now let's pair with my smartphone. You can see the name Eardops 131 and connect it. Now let's play a song. Double press to pause this song, and again single press to play the song. In right buds, double press to next forward the song. Long press to activate Google Assistant. Now you can hear the music. The sound quality is good in this price segment. So guys, how is this unboxing and review video? Comment down below and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. These eardops are sleek in size and easily fit in the ear with no issues. And the magnets are quite strong. It fits easily in the box. The hinge is also good. Company claims the total playback time is 15 hours. If you charge 5 minutes, it gives 90 minutes playback time. Stay tuned for our next video.